Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special, the brand new 2025 Kia EV3 with the 58 kWh battery. This is Kia's latest addition to their expanding EV lineup, positioned as an entry-level electric SUV. It promises affordability, practicality, and the latest tech. But how well does it actually perform? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior design, Kia has taken a bold approach. The EV3 borrows some styling cues from its larger sibling, the EV9, with a boxy yet modern design. The front features Kia's signature digital tiger face, with sleek LED headlights that extend towards the fenders, giving it a futuristic appeal. The lower bumper has sharp, angular elements, contributing to an aggressive stance. Moving to the side profile, the EV3 has short overhangs and a strong shoulder line, making it look more rugged than its compact dimensions suggest. At the rear, the minimalist design continues. The full-width LED taillight bar adds a premium touch, while the sculpted bumper gives it a sporty finish. Kia has clearly prioritized aerodynamics with smooth surfaces and an efficient shape to maximize range. Now let's talk about the interior. Stepping inside, the EV3 feels surprisingly spacious for its size. Kia has focused on a minimalist yet high-tech approach. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The software is smooth, responsive, and supports over-the-air updates, ensuring it stays up to date with the latest features. The materials used throughout the cabin feel premium for this segment. Soft touch surfaces, sustainable materials, and ambient lighting create a comfortable atmosphere. The flat floor and clever packaging provide plenty of legroom, even for rear passengers. Cargo space is also impressive, with a large trunk and additional storage under the front hood, or frunk, making it a practical choice for daily use. Now, let's take it for a drive. The Kia EV3 58 kWh version comes with a single motor setup, producing around 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels, and the instant torque makes acceleration feel brisk. The official 0 to 100 km/h time is around 7.5 seconds, which is quick enough for city driving and highway merging. The ride quality is smooth and well balanced. Kia has tuned the suspension to offer a comfortable experience without feeling too soft. It absorbs bumps well, and thanks to the low center of gravity from the battery placement, handling is stable and predictable. The steering is light but precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. One of the most important aspects of an electric car is its range and charging capabilities. The 58 kWh battery in the EV3 provides an estimated range of around 400 km on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. On a DC fast charger, it supports up to 100 kW charging, allowing a 10 to 80% charge in approximately 30 minutes. For home charging, using an 11 kW AC charger, it takes around 6 hours for a full charge, making overnight charging convenient. Efficiency is another strong point. Kia has optimized the drivetrain and aerodynamics to ensure low energy consumption. Even in real-world driving, it manages to deliver impressive efficiency numbers, making it a great option for long-term ownership. Technology and safety are key highlights of the EV3. It comes with Kia's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly together, providing a stress-free driving experience, especially on long trips. The infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and a premium sound system that enhances the driving experience. Kia has also integrated smart features like remote climate control and vehicle-to-load functionality, allowing you to power small appliances using the car's battery. Now, let's talk about pricing and competition. The Kia EV3 is positioned as a budget-friendly electric SUV, making it a strong competitor against models like the Hyundai Kona Electric, Volkswagen ID.3, and Tesla Model Y standard range. The pricing is expected to start at around $35,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its segment while offering a well-rounded package. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Kia EV3 58 kWh is a compelling choice for anyone looking to enter the world of electric mobility without compromising on design, technology, or practicality. It delivers a great balance of range, performance, and features at a competitive price. Whether you're commuting daily or planning weekend road trips, the EV3 proves to be a solid all-rounder. What do you think of the new Kia EV3? Would you consider it as your next EV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.